marvel at each lover, true and leal, how love can make him wretched and in pain. I marvel that he feels such sorrow real. I marvel that he makes a mournful strain. For more of good than ill, I say, prevails, and even he who least in love avails. Yet good is nothing to the witless wight, when need is sore and many a man in plight knows to grieve when loss he must endure, but joy in gain he never can procure.
Never can procure. No man can live with love and not improve, nor rule in courtesy and in good grace. For love will make him generous and move to worth 100-fold beyond his place.
The worth he gains for being valiant plain repays the torments and the bitter pain, and he must also joy in that delight he hopes to have, and thus the grievance slight. So can the clamor end and be forgot, and he who loves finds joy in happy lot.
One must his lover and his lord serve right, though the reward be not of great gain. It is not fitting lest his honor light to find the toil a grievous pain.
For there's no treasure like to worth's true store, and worth belongs to him who values more. With love a man can grow in valor's might, and love bestows all teachings that are right, whereby he honors and his name extends. Who will not serve love, only self offends. Worthy servants gain their praise and cheer, and are well honored for their willing state.
So those who give reward and more appear in greater honor, for the rank is great.
Two lovers must in loving be of one way,
Yet who is worthier and can more convey?
a little more must strive with all his might.
My lady knows the meaning of my plight.
May she thus give me cause forevermore
To thank her, as I said it long before. Your beauty, lady, makes me feel despair,
but comfort from your fair looks takes its place.
I fear your rank, but then I am aware
You take delight in your own honor's race.
I fear that you are perfect, but your worth brings comfort, being the noblest honor.
I fear that all men find you sweet and kind,
But comfort that your knowing heart I find.
I fear to hear you speak a word of nay,
But comfort in your gentle welcome sway. Slanderers, more than any thanks I give,
if I in love a joyful life may live.
for with your gentle eyes you kept me hid,
And better than myself,
my secret did. Count of twos, your valor and your sense
your skill, your courage and your excellence,
have given you worth that all men's love obtain.
but in worth
A happy ending still remains.